Okay, in part B of the problem, we've been asked to calculate the voltage gain. Okay, so how are we going to calculate the voltage gain? So, and the voltage gain is defined as dVCE over dVBE. Okay, so what we do is we say, okay, what is VCE equal to? VCE is VCC minus ICRC, isn't it? And what is that equal to? So we can replace IC as IS e to the power VBE over VT times RC, right? And now we try to calculate dVCE over dVBE. So we are differentiating this equation with respect to VBE, right? So the first term becomes 0, and then you have minus ISRC, and when you differentiate this term, what do you get? You get 1 over Vt e to the power VBE over Vt, right? So your gain, so your gain AV, which was equal to that, is going to be equal to IS RC over Vt, and then you get e to the power VBE over Vt. But take a look, Is times V e to the power VBE over Vt is what? It's simply IC, isn't it? So your gain then is IC RC over VT. So that's your gain. Okay, and then you can write IC again in terms of VCE if you want. And so you get minus RC over VT, and IC can be written as VCC minus VCE divided by RC. So your gain then becomes, so this RC and this RC cancel out, so your gain becomes minus VCC minus VCE divided by VT, right? And so we can easily calculate, so we have been asked to calculate VCE for input sine wave of 5 millivolts, and we should be able to do that, right? You should be able to calculate VCE, and then from there you should be able to calculate the voltage gain.